Hello, my name is Chris Redd. I'm here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. We are a leisure travel dealer, and today I'm going to talk about one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2015 leisure travel Murphy bed, which is a great floor plan, single slide, large bathroom, and a nice large bed. So we're going to walk around the outside of this leisure travel van, and then we're going to walk inside and take a look. So this is a 2015 leisure travel van built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. You're getting about 16 to 18 miles per gallon on this coach. It does have the newer body style. As you can see, the curvature in the wall. The older style has a little more of an abrupt look right here. This is a nice smooth look all the way around. You have the little fiberglass step here, easy to get in. When you open the door, your light comes on. This is a nice little feature when you're getting in and out of the coach in the evening. It has a nice carefree awning with an LED light strip on the top, so when the RV comes out, it kind of lights up your hanging out area. This step just retracts out when you open the door. Nice little feature, so you don't have to take a big, large step to get in the RV. These little clips on the side are for your awning arms. If you want to have your awning hooked to your RV or out on the coach, that's what those are for, okay? Then I'm going to open up some of these bins along the side here. Sorry about that. This is a nice line storage bin right outside the door here. You have nice frameless windows alongside this coach. Now there's 5 coats of paint. There's 3 color and 2 clear on this. So it's a very nice looking RV, but it's going to look like this for years. So when I open up this storage compartment here, this is your generator. This has a propane generator on board here. And then the rear here is another little storage compartment. There is a quick disconnect for a barbecue. So if you bring a small barbecue, you can just hook up right there. Then the nice thing about Murphy beds is you have this nice large outdoor storage compartment. This is actually a removable shelf up top, so you can fit golf clubs, whatever you want, but you can actually get to it from the closet inside, and I'll show you that here in a minute. This is the attachment for the ladder that's located on the back here, so you can have easy access to get on the roof. Being this is a 2015, the newer body style, you have a removable bumper here, so if you were to get in a little fender bender, you don't have to replace the one-piece mast on the back. This is a 2-piece mast. There's a 5,000-pound towing capacity, and it does have a backup camera located up at the top here. Walking around to the driver's side of the coach, as you can see, this doesn't have any locks on it, so this is where you're going to have your propane shut off and your dump area, your outdoor shower, and your cable hookup. Everything's going to be located right here, very easy to get to, okay? You have your water heater. This is your power supply. And as you can see, this little lining here, now the whole body of the coach is lined with it, so it makes it very quiet when you're driving down the road. Rocks kick up. The whole underbelly of the RV has been lined, which is a nice feature. Not every RV manufacturer does that. And these bins are all lined as well. You have 2 outdoor storage compartments here and just a little sewer hose holder, okay? But let's walk inside and take a look. Hi everyone, Chris Redd again. We are inside this 2015 leisure travel Murphy bed. I'm going to show you the inside of this beautiful RV. So as I mentioned earlier, it is on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. So this is the cab here. All your controls are located on the steering wheel if you want to answer the phone, or your cruise controls located over to the side, and that is your shifter to get you into drive. It does have navigation and the radio and the backup camera located on that screen. These seats do swivel around. They're Mercedes-Benz swivel seats, and these seats are actually been, reupholstered, so they're a little bit more comfortable than just the normal standard Mercedes-Benz seats. So as you can see, it's a beautiful cabinetry, a lot of storage inside. These are some extra cushions here for when you make this up into a seating area. This is being a 2015, there's a couple nice features that you're going to get. So you're going to be able to get a skylight that does open up, and then you do have a screen that pulls across, or if you want to have a little darkening if you're going to watch a movie. Up here, this is where you're going to have a couple features. So this is going to be your slide control. It does have stabilizer jacks, so there's 2 stab jacks that go down to stop the RV from rocking. Very nice feature. And then just your basic battery check, your inverter control, and then there's only 8 hours on the generator, so it's barely been dry camped in. This is a very nice RV that's been gently used. When you want to watch television in this coach, you just press a little button here and your television kind of pops up. So you have the option to look out the window or watch television when the bed's down. Now, this is a Murphy bed. So right now it's set up to watch television. I'm not going to do it all on the video, but if you did want to eat, basically these cushions turn around and this little insert is your table, and then there's a little pole that goes with it, so you sit this direction with your table set in the middle. Very nice. You know, it's comfortable for 2 people, and then below are 2 nice solid drawers. Okay, so that's kind of how you would eat if you're looking for where the table might be. But if most people want to know where the bed is, so I'm going to do that because it's going to take just a couple minutes here. Basically, you just have to remove 2 cushions, which doesn't take much. You can just lay these up in the front out of the way, and then on this one has a couple little locks here. So once I relace the lock so that way it doesn't make any rattles when you're driving down the road, and pull this is going to be a residential mattress, and then your Murphy bed's out. So the slide is out. You have a nice window here you can open up to get some breeze. You have reading lights that you push a button, they come on, push a button, they're off. And then all the lights up top are on a little dimmer switch right by the bathroom, so the person on the left-hand side of the bed can control those. But that is your bedroom, okay? It's very easy to do. Move 2 cushions and pull it down. So you can leave your bed made up. A lot of people just get a strap here, and then you leave your bed and your pillows up against the wall there, so it's not in your way. And then when you're ready to get your bed out of the way to enjoy your day, you put your cushions back, and this is where you'll be. So it's a beautiful floor plan and a nice mattress and a TV, everything in a 25-foot RV. Turning around here, this is your kitchen here. So you have a nice deep stainless steel sink. You have a spot for a little garbage can in the back. They've actually thought of everything. And then a nice 2-burner stove. You have some drawers along the top and lockable cabinets up top here to store all your kitchen supplies. You do have a window up here, okay? And then being a 15, you're gonna get a separate fridge and a freezer, which is nice, keep the ice cream cold. You have a convection microwave oven here up top, so if you wanna, you can actually bake in this, in this RV, and there's no oven, but this is your oven. And then stepping into the back, this is another reason why people like this. You have a solid mattress, but a large bathroom, so you can actually have some spot to get ready here. Beautiful, big shower, toilet, a lot of closet space. When I open this up, as you can see, there's a lot of storage here, 2 drawers. And then outside, if you remove that shelf at the beginning of the video, you could actually get to that cabinet. So if there is something long that you want to get to, you can remove that and you can actually get to that. So it's nice little access. And then you do have a couple little, vanity right here that opens up in a sink. So it's a beautiful RV. I feel like they thought of everything. So if you're looking for a nice 25-foot RV, great fuel economy, quality build, this is something to consider. But we're also a leisure travel dealer, so we sell them brand new, but we specialize in pre-owned. So if you have any questions about leisure travel products, this RV in particular, please give me a call. My name is Chris Red at Johnson RV. Thanks again for watching my video.